Welcome back to Flair Study. In this video, I am discuss about software engineer post hiring by G Digital for software engineer at 11 LPA. The company is looking for candidates who have a strong background in computer science and software engineering, as well as experience with programming languages such as Java, C++, and Python. Candidates should also have good problem-solving skills, strong communication abilities, and a passion for technology and innovation. The company offers competitive compensation packages, flexible work arrangements, and opportunities for growth and advancement. If you meet the qualifications and are interested in joining GE Digital, please apply to the software engineer position through the company's careers website. As you see in their careers website, there are apply link is present for this job. When you click on this, then this is moved to its application form from where you can fill your details to apply for this job. In this, there are 4 sections, and fifth one is for review. And like in my information, you can fill your details as they mentioned below, like this given name, family name, city, state, email address, and all these information filled by you. When you completely fill this information, then you need to press on next button, and by entering details, they are asking to apply for this job. And through this, you can simply apply for this job. For more related hiring information, subscribe my channel, and we will get soon with new job updates.